Hi everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me for day 19 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So I can't wait to see what this is. So yesterday, if you remember, we got these socks. I haven't had a chance to use them yet. They're cute. I liked how they were shaped like a cupcake, and I think I was a little harsher than I should have been. Anyway, I will use them, I'm sure. They'll go in my sock drawer, and at some point I'll think they're nice and cozy and wonderful. So this is really just... I'm just so curious of what this is. So let's open it up and see. All right. Oh, cute. Oh, it is. I guessed this yesterday that they were needle minders. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is great. So if you hand quilt, you know what these are, or you might know what these are. These go on your project, and then you can, they're magnetic, so you can put your needle right on it when you're finished. So if you cross stitch or English paper piece or any kind of handwork or like red work or anything like that, it is a needle minder and it keeps your needles in check. So I love this gift. Now I realize not everybody's gonna love it, but I love this one. And look, I like the little duck and the Missouri Star, I think that's what it is, here. So very, very cute. Love this gift, perfect. I've looked at these on Etsy. There's people out there that make them. So let's move on to day 20. So it feels like a hoop. Makes noise here. I don't know what that is. And maybe a pattern? An embroidery hoop, maybe? Oh, I wonder if the embroidery hoop has a project that goes with our needle minders. Wouldn't that be fun? I hope so. All right, I will see you tomorrow for the next unboxing of day 20 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, and I can't wait to see what that is. So if you've been staying for my second part, which is the Kringles projects, today's is, I think it's day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas, and we got this little template and made this itty bitty block. Again, do I need a template to make this? Probably not, but it's cute. And I'll put an inset picture of it here. I will also put up our total of everything so far, and I also keep track of that in the description so you can take a look at how I price everything. And again, go back and price it the way you want to if you feel that things are overpriced or underpriced or whatever that may be. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow for day 20 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, and thank you so much for all the love and support that I've gotten this month. Thank you so much for all the love and prayers that my mom has gotten. We're coming to the end of her treatments. I can't wait. I think she has 5 left, and that's just so exciting because it's been a really long road. Anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and I hope you're in the home stretch of getting ready for the holiday and having a wonderful time of it. Take some time to sew, and I'll see you soon. Bye.